Good morning, class 6th. Today we have done notice writing in the class, and this is its recorded video, both of the format and the specimen. So, as you can see, just a second. Okay, this is format. In the first line, we will write name of the institution. That can be the name of school. Okay, and if the city is given, then you have to write city also. For example, Tagore International School, comma, Saneval. Okay, then in the second line you will write notice. Here you are gonna write date, and here heading. Heading, for example, poem recitation competition, dance competition, declamation competition, trip to Agra, trip to Kaziranga Park. Okay, like this. The heading can be anything, but it should be related to the question given, and 99% the heading will be given to you in the question only. Then you have to leave one line here after heading, and then you have to write content, which is also known as body. It means you will write all the information that this notice is for which class, what is the competition, and where it will be held, in the school auditorium or some other place. You have to tell about its timings, and if the competition is paid, then you have to tell how much charges are there. For example, you are going to some park, or you are going to some trip for 3-4 days, so obviously it will not be free of cost, right? You have to pay some money, so all the fees, charges, details you have to tell. And how will you go? You will go by school bus or deluxe bus, like this. You have to tell each and every information which is relevant. And after that you will again leave one line here. Then you have to do signature. Now if there is no name given in the question, then you can write your own name and you can do your own signature, right? But most probably the name will be given to you. For example, the name is Ria, so you will do sign of Ria like this. You can do any sign like this, and then you will write Ria in capital letters here. Here you will do sign. Here you will write the name in capital box, and designation. Designation will also be given to you in the question only. For example, if she is a head girl, you will write head girl here in brackets. If she is a monitor, then you will write monitor. If some other person is there, suppose some teacher is writing, so if she is the coordinator, then we will be writing coordinator. But as a student, it will be given to you in the question. Now skipping of lines is very important. You have to skip 2 lines. Okay, it means you have to leave 2 lines. One you have to leave line here before the content, and one after the content. If you will not leave the line, then your marks will be cut. Same wise, these 3 things, name of the institution, notice, and heading, it will always be in capital letters. If you will use cursive, your marks will be cut. The format of date will be given to you like we write in our class. Like for example, today is April 15, 2021. Then signature, name will also be in capital, and then this can be in cursive, designation. So it means total 4 things should be in capital, right? First one is name of the institution, then notice, NOTICE, and then heading, and there the name in capital letters. Okay, is this clear to you? So this is very important to follow the rules of writing the notice writing, because this is the writing work, grammar work. Not grammar, actually it comes under writing only, but you have to follow proper procedure. Now you have to draw a box, and you will not use pen, you have to use pencil only. So you have to take care of these little things, and if you will follow all the instructions, then you can easily score full marks in notice writing. Okay, see the format clearly, practice it 4 to 5 times, and then you are good to go. Now we will be doing one example. So in the exam, question will be given to you. Now I am going to read the question. Draft a notice in about 50 words. And yes, you will be writing a notice in 50 words only. It can be 60 words, but it cannot be 40 words. Otherwise your marks will be cut. So try to maintain near 50, 55 or 60, but not more than that. Draft a notice in about 50 words to be put up on the school notice board informing the students of 6th to 8th classes about a declamation contest. So have you got the heading? It's about declamation contest. To be held in the school. Where it will be held? In the school only. So now you know the place also. Topic is also given to you. What is the topic? Let us conserve natural resources. Let us conserve natural resources. So already so much information is given to you in the notice only. Its heading is given declamation contest, then place is given that it will be held in the school only, and the topic is also given, that is let us conserve natural resources. Now invent necessary details. It means you have to add some important details and then sign yourself as Devika. Now it doesn't matter either you are a boy or a girl, doesn't matter. If the question has Devika in it, then you will be writing as Devika only. अगर आप अपनी तरफ से कोई बॉय वाला नेम नहीं यूज़ करोगे, right? And she is the head girl, so you will write head girl only in the notice. And the name of the school is also given, Lord Krishna Public School, and the city is also given, Jabalpur. So now I just hope that you have understood the question. Now when you will be writing the school name, you have to make sure in your notebook and in the exam that you have to leave proper gap. Which gap I am talking about? Can you see here this portion? This is almost same. So this is your school page, right? This is your school page, right? And I am going to write Lord Krishna Public School, Jabalpur in capital letters with proper gap. Okay, but you can see that I have left proper gap here. जितना इधर गैप है उतना ही ऑलमोस्ट इधर गैप है. सो द डिस्टेंस शुड बी इक्वल फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप लॉर्ड कृष्णा यहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हो और यहाँ पे इतनी स्पेस बच गई. नो, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द वर्ड शुड बी इक्वल एंड दे शुड लीव प्रॉपर गैप at the margin. Okay, now Lord Krishna Public School, comma Jabalpur in capital letters. Then we have written notice in capital letters. Then today's date, April 15, 2021. In your exam you will write your exam date. In your test you will write your test date. Then in capital letters, what is the name of the competition? That is declamation contest. Then you have to leave one line here. Now just a second. Okay, a declamation contest is going to be held for the students of 6th to 8th classes on April 22, 2021 at 11 am in the school auditorium. So what I am telling, that a contest is going to be held. For which class? It is also given for 6th to 8th classes, right? It is already given. So 6 to 8 classes. Then डेट, अब जो डेट है कि कब डेक्लेमेशन होना है ये मेरे पे डिपेंड करता है क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में वो गिवन नहीं है. इफ़ टुडे इज़ 15 तो मैंने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7 डेज़ का टाइम ले लिया. सो आई कैन चूज़ 21 अप्रैल ऑल्सो, आई कैन चूज़ 25 अप्रैल ऑल्सो. आई हैव सिलेक्टेड April 22. नाउ अबाउट द टाइम, it is in school, so obviously it will be in the school timings only. So I have selected 11 am. So see, I have selected date also, I have added the time also. So it means I am adding the necessary detail. and where it will be held? In the school auditorium. What will be the topic? The topic is, it is given in the question, let us conserve natural resources. And I have added the time also, that you have to speak maximum from 3 to 5 minutes, because this is something very important related to declamation. Otherwise students will be, they will be continuously speaking and speaking. It cannot be too long, so time limit should be there. So we have to tell the time limit in advance. So that's why I am adding this important detail in the notice. Then interested students may give their names to their class in charges. Winners will get attractive prizes. I have talked about prizes also. For details contact, अगर किसी बच्चे को और डिटेल चाहिए, they want extra information, for details comma, then contact, and then we have added colon, then leave a line. Then you have to, now the question, in the question Devika is given, so you will do sign of Devika, then you will write Devika in capital letters, and she is the head girl, so we'll write head girl in brackets, and then you will make a box with pencil, and then your notice writing will be complete. Is that clear how you're gonna write the notice, what is the format, and how you will be adding the important details? कुछ चीज़ें आपको गिवन होगी, कुछ आप ऐड करोगे, लेकिन जो भी आप ऐड कर रहे हो इट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू द कॉम्पिटिशन एंड इट शुड बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डिटेल. आप फालतू की चीज़ें नोटिस में नहीं लिख सकते हो, because this is going to be put on the school notice board, so it should have some important information only. And just be careful with this gap. When I will be checking your notebooks, please don't make this mistake. I'm telling you in advance. Like declamation contest, okay, so proper gap should be here. Notice, proper gap should be there. It means notice, declamation contest, it should be in the center. Okay. Still, if you have any problem in the format of notice writing or about notice writing, then you can contact me, and you will be writing the format and the notice writing on in your FAIR notebook on grammar site. Thank you for today.